Whether you're already in Ireland or planning to come here, most people don't know this. With just 50,000 euros in funding, you can actually apply for an entrepreneur visa through the STEP program instead of relying on sponsorships or job offers. The Startup Entrepreneur Program, known as STEP, is one of Ireland's most structured immigration routes for individuals who want to establish a genuinely innovative and scalable startup in the state. It's open to applicants both inside and outside Ireland, and it was created for people who want to build, innovate, and create economic value, not just depend on the employment permit system. Here is the framework clearly and formally. First, you must be a founder with real control in the business. STEP is for individuals who will lead the startup, not employees or passive shareholders. Second, you must have at least 50,000 euros available in funding. This can be personal savings, a bank loan, angel or VC investment, or support from an Irish state agency. The source must be documented clearly and must be transferable to Ireland. Third, your startup must meet Ireland's high potential startup HPSU criteria. According to the official guidelines, the business must be under 5 years old, innovative, internationally focused, scalable, and capable of reaching around 10 jobs and 1 million turnover within 3 years. Fourth, you must be of good character with no serious criminal convictions. Fifth, if STEP is approved, you must work full-time on developing the business in Ireland. You cannot engage in unrelated employment while holding STEP permission. Once granted, STEP gives you 2 years residence permission, renewable for additional 3 years, and after 5 years you are eligible for long-term residence. This series will break down everything: innovation, expectation, funding realities, evaluation criteria, common mistakes, and situational examples for people both in Ireland and abroad. If you want clarity on whether your idea fits the STEP criteria, or if you don't have an idea yet and want guidance on what counts as a high potential, reach out to me. Follow the full STEP program series for more detailed insights.